to Crooked Common Law, a Canaan production on the Tobago Festivals Network.
Them old people have a saying we say, not tell people how to live their life. But when the shoes start to squeeze, left them, let it take the bun. Me feel, me take most bun of my life. Me not sure if it's because I did like the tight shoe or because I had to learn the hard way. Here now, I live my life and I live it in full. I build a house, I plant garden, I save my money, I even travel to Trinidad. And most important, I invest in my one picnic. Even though I experience all manner of things, you see life does never prepare you for the day that you cross over yonder.
Mommy, what's going on over the road? Mommy, look at Kim.
You could tell me?
Is what going on there? No, man. Just when I say the thing die down, Kim start back up again.
And you know, she have a bad stomach. What you could do me? What you could do me?
She really did take about 5 minutes to say that. And she loudmouth bring everybody outside the place.
Well, she expect. Everybody in Milford Court done live so close already.
And what better way to start the day than with a fresh bacchanal?
You hear you? I hope when CXC come out, it gonna be what talking about the same way.
Come now, man, ma. You know you don't have to worry about me.
I know that inna D. I know that inna. I just making sure that my lesson money no go down a drain. Or else, me I send you for land trade for sure and call that judge.
Never, mommy. Not at all. You know I make for book and book make for me. Wait, there is no petrol crossing there.
Hey, petrol, evening. Oh, he not even answer me. Me shame.
Oh, God, oh. She no answer. It code you too pushy. I ain't feel petrol go talk to nobody for a long time. At least not after all them hurtful things Kim tell the woman. You hear the part about the children? Is how she said that the two little boys is not Mr. Cephas' picnic and that he should ask Otis Manswell. Otis is not them children's school driver. Oh, God, oh! Mommy, this come as sweet. How will you say?
I hear.
Some woman is tears, mommy. Mr. Cephas does go out his way to make sure them children good. What he gonna do if Boy and Junior is really naughty children?
Denise, don't talk so. Who know the life? Know that woman does make mistake. The baby pig in ask him mama, how she mouth stop so long? And you know what the mama pig said?
I come, you are come. I know, mommy. I know. But I don't ever think I could do that.
Do what?
Give a man a jacket.
D, let me tell you something. You have plenty years ahead of you before you could think about picnic and jacket. Is CXC then anything?
I know, ma. I was wondering. If I sign up for Compris 6-4, then after I could... Ma, you okay? Ma. Uncle Cuthbert! Uncle, help! Ma, oh my God! Ma! Uncle! It's Mommy! She just started to cough just so.
What's going on there? She was laughing or what?
What's he really asking? She fighting to breathe. Why you just stand up there like a log?
Well, I don't know what to do. What she was doing before she started to cough?
Uncle, she was eating the cookie I gave she and we was talking. Out of the blue, she started to cough. Why you keep asking me one set of questions and you're not doing anything?
Martha, you okay? Talk to me, baby. You okay?
She not breathing properly and you expect she to answer? Uncle do something.
I'm trying. She pulse feel normal.
Please, somebody, help! Mr. Warris, only help!
Don't raise no alarm, okay? I'm sure it's nothing. I'm taking she inside.
I'm calling an ambulance.
Martha, hold on, eh? I'm carrying you inside, okay? Martha?
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy, no! Mommy!
This episode was brought to you by the Tobago Festivals Commission Limited and sponsored by the Tobago House of Assembly.